Boat lovers, I've got a brand new boat to show you guys today. It is a 2026 Yamaha 252 SD. This one's in the black hull color. Got a white top cap, stainless steel rub rail. Got our integrated dock and nav lights up front here. This boat is going to be paired with a painted Shorelander tandem axle trailer. It's got disc brakes and mag wheels. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more features. Hey guys, we're standing here at the back of the 252 SD. As you can see, we've got Yamaha's signature swim platform area. This is one of my favorite parts about any of the Yamaha boats that we have to offer. It's a great place to hang out. We've got these really comfortable rear-facing seats. We've got some backrest down here on this lower swim platform area. Got the nice sea deck on the base and up through the walk-through as well. We've got cup holders. We've got a wash down. We've got a rear transom remote, rear firing speakers tucked away up there, as well as a table mount over here. And then down below, we've got our receivers for Yamaha's pedestal seats. These are a great feature that come with this boat. You can sit in the water or you can flip them the other way and have a nice little tabletop here if you're sitting on the back. Let's climb aboard. We can take a look at some interior features. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 252 SD. Up here in the bow, we've got plenty of room for seating. We've got a lot of storage up underneath both our starboard and port sides. This boat is going to come with the filler cushions that go in between, so you can turn this whole area into a nice little playpen. Lots of room in this boat. I'm a pretty tall guy, over 6 foot, and I've got plenty of leg room up front here. Nice little feature that you can add is popping these guys out and gives you a little bit more leg room up front. Up in the bow, we've got a anchor locker and front boarding ladder. Plenty of cup holders tucked throughout, as well as your speakers up front. Got some storage underneath the console here, as well as a large head compartment over here on the port side. As you can see, we've got our cooler and some cushions tucked away down there. Moving over to the helm, we've got a really comfortable captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. This is the SD series, so we have a lot of cool features here on the wheel. We've got a tilt steering wheel, make it super comfortable. And as you can see, we've got the drive paddle shifters here. So you've got reverse and forward, as well as some really cool features on the wheel. We've got dock hold that you can go either way. You can do pivot turn, or you can turn it into high mode so you can get a little more RPM while you're using these features. Or you can go on the Vivid UX screen here, and when you're in running mode, you can click and have your standard throttles over here to the right. And you can also switch them to from dual binnacle to single binnacle, so you can operate both motors that way. There's some really cool lighting in this dash, a really large Yamaha Connect screen that makes it super easy to view all of your running stats and your lake data, as well as a wireless phone charger tucked away here. Moving back, you can see we have another comfortable co-captain's chair. Lots of storage in this port side console as well, with a few different compartments for all of your goods while you're out there on the lake. We've got a subwoofer down here, and then some more speakers in the back. Really large canopy up here on the bimini top. Gives you lots of shade, as well as some integrated lighting. And once again, this is a water sports tower, so you can hook up here for a tow point as well. Moving back, we've got storage underneath both of these back seats. A cool little picnic table here that we can pop up and make our sandwiches on, and stow some of your lunch down below. And then moving back to the back, we've got some storage in both of these backrests that you can access by popping up the rear. And then also a nice feature on this 252 SD is that you can slide these seats all the way in to give you lots of lounging space here on the back. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.